In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the flute in Arc Raiders. The flute is a simple tool with two big uses. It can lure nearby Arc enemies toward you, and it can be a stylish way to interact with other players between fights. To get started, make sure the flute is in your inventory. If you've already picked one up, you're good to go. The game won't let you use it until it's actually in your pack, so confirm you can see it there before moving on. Next, open your inventory and place the flute into your Quick Use. Quick Use is that small, fast access section designed for things you want at your fingertips without digging through menus mid-combat. Dropping the flute into a Quick Use slot ensures you can equip it instantly when the moment calls for it. This also helps you keep track of it so you don't scroll past in the heat of a fight. Once it's in Quick Use, open your Quick Use tab during gameplay. Navigate to the flute and select it. You should see a clear indication that it's now your active item. If your HUD shows the flute icon, you're set. Taking a second to confirm this prevents those awkward moments where you think you're about to play a tune, but you've actually selected something else. With the flute selected, hold left click to continuously play. Holding the button sustains the melody. Letting go will stop the sound right away. If your controls are customized, use the key that corresponds to your primary action. You don't need to mash the button, just hold it to keep the tune flowing smoothly. Playing the flute will attract Arc enemies that can hear it, so use it thoughtfully. Sound can pull foes out of cover or bring a patrol into an ambush, but it can also reveal your position if you're not ready. Pick your spot, set your team, and then start playing. Outside of combat, it's great for signaling a meetup or just adding a bit of flair at camp. It's a small touch, but it helps build rhythm and chemistry with your squad. If the flute isn't working, double check it's still in Quick Use and that you've selected it. Swapping loadouts or picking up new items can change your active slot without you noticing. That's all there is to it. Inventory, Quick Use, select, and hold to play. Practice a few times and it'll feel natural fast. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making some noise out there.